All right, hi everyone. Hey, I got a DR Pro 26 and I've got the snowblower attachment on it. We got about 12 inches of wet, heavy snow last night, and this thing did a great job. We've got our driveways about 160 feet long, and then we've got a pad up at the top. Just when I was finishing up, the snowblower stopped engaging, so I would pull the PTO and the chain and drive of the actual snowblower mechanism would not engage. So I just wanted to show everyone what I found. All right, so the first thing I did was I removed the 4 bolts that hold the cover on the actual unit itself, on the snowblower unit. It allows you access to the pulley, to the belts, to the drive shaft, and all that kind of stuff. And as you can see right here, where the drive shaft comes in for the snowblower, this is the drive shaft, has the chain attached to it. When you engage the PTO, this will engage and will move the drive shaft. Well, I was fortunate that when I noticed it stopped working, I found this, which is the bolt that comes through right here, this piece, and holds the drive shaft of the snowblower mechanism, or the snowblower, to the pulley system. So that snapped off. So I got pretty fortunate. I went down and I checked in my bag that came with the snowblower attachment that had some extra parts in it, and believe it or not, they actually had, there were 3 of these bolts included with the kit. So I assume this is something that must happen fairly often, or just extra part that they figure you're going to need at some point. But anyway, here it is. You can see here how it is not aligned anymore. So I've got to move that drive shaft for the snowblower so that that lines up with the hole in the pulley. Okay, so that was pretty easy. All I did was just simply slide the pulley over. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my new bolt through there. And screw that on and tighten it up, and that is it. So if you run across this problem, you see this issue, your blower stops working, this is a possible explanation for it, and it should be a pretty easy fix. All right, hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Do all kinds of gardening, DIY, recipe stuff. Hope you're having a great day. We'll see you soon.